our English art integrated project is on his first flight. Let's compare this chapter learning aspects between Haryana and Telangana. Haryana. Haryana is also known as a home of gods, as Hari means god and Ayana means home. Haryana is a wonderland and rich cultural heritage that gives visitors the feel of the Vedic period. Haryana is rich in folklore. The people of Haryana have their own traditions. The age-old customs of meditation, yoga, and chanting of Vedic mantras are still observed by the masses. Language of Haryana. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, and English are the main languages in Haryana. However, almost all of them have their base in Hindi. The tradition of Haryana gives equal social status. Irrespective of their official or financial positions in life, they have equal social status. The only criterion of superiority is age. If two Haryanvis sit on a bed, the elder, even if he is a poor farmer, will sit towards the head of the bed. The younger, even if he is a very well-to-do or a senior civil or military officer, will sit towards the foot of the bed.
Telangana. Telangana is the youngest state in India and it is formed on June 2, 2014 as the 29th state. The name Telangana is derived from the word Trilinga Desa, means land of three lingas, in which are three ancient Shiva temples at Kaleshwaram, Srisailam and Drakshasarama. Language of Telangana. The official language of Telangana is Telugu. Some words of Sanskrit, Urdu and English are also mixed in Telugu language. Before 1948, Urdu was the official language of Hyderabad, but Hyderabad was incorporated into India. Telugu was the official language of the state. All schools and colleges here also teach Telugu medium.
In life. Message of the story. The underlying message of the story is, one thing we have to fear is the fear itself. Once we are able to overcome our fear, it transports us to the world of confidence, joy and satisfaction. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. His father and mother had come around calling to him sternly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. His mother made a plan. Mother came near a seagull with a scrap of fish in its beak and tempted seagull to make a dive for fish. But seagull did not, and mother flew away. Seagull again called its mother desperately. Mother came again, but this time she came nearer with a fish as a bait. Hunger maddened it. As it made an attempt to take fish, mother flew in the sky, and seagull is following her. Seagull was falling down, but his fear lasted for a minute. But its wings opened, and it made a desperate attempt to fly. To its amazement, it was not falling. Then it flapped its wings and flew up. This way, young seagull made its first flight. Conclusion. His first flight is a parable. The seagull conveys the message of self-confidence, motivation, and self-reliance. The mother seagull motivates the young one enough to get him to learn flying. The baby seagull realizes the importance of belief and faith.